These jugs are heavy. Let's see if we can pour these up. Oh, my back. Oh, let's see if I can pour this without spilling it. Oh, that's gonna stain my concrete. Grab the water hose. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how I turn these big old 2.5 gallon liquid fertilizer jugs into a quick, easy on the back, no spilling, liquid fertilization station. Tools you need: get you some buckets or some jugs, let me say, a drill, a 3/4 inch paddle bit. You can use a drill bit, and then this little cheap, I think it's $4. Spigot. We'll put that on these tops. First thing you want to do is just take your tops off. Go ahead and take this one off. As you can see, they are different tops. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do these two tops. We'll do one. You can really do one if the tops are the same for the jugs. Then you can really do one and just switch out the top. You know, when you drain one jug, put it on your next jug. And if they're different products, you may want to clean out the spigot here before you swap it. But I bought a pack online. It comes with this little dispenser, and then you got two rubber washers, and then of course your lock nut or your nut to go on the back of it. First thing we're gonna do, drill it. I like to drill a hole right here in the center. All right. You got some nice clean holes here. The center came out. Put this back in. You want this back in. I normally wipe that out so I don't get my fingers dirty, but I forgot. Take your razor blade and you can cut this out. I'll start on this side, it'll be easier. Now you got a full hole pass through. You take this, first put on your rubber washer, push it down, and push this through. And on the back side, you also want to make sure your rubber washer's on. Don't want to get too close to my lens because my GoPro will blur. And then simply tighten this up. There you go. The rubber washers make it leak proof. All you can do is put it back on. Tighten it good and tight. Straighten this up. I like to turn it to the right. That way it doesn't loosen. It just stays tighter. There. Easy dispenser. You still may have to shake it up. I mean, you still may have to pick it up and shake it up depending on what product it is. But once you, my old trusty table here, give it a good shake. Lean it over. Easy dispenser right here. Now let's do the next. Actually grab a paper towel and clean this one. So my fingers. You want to keep this in here because it creates a seal around the top of the jug to this, your cap. So make sure you leave the paper. Sometimes they feel like foam inserts, but it's some type of cardboard paper. Like this one. This one actually feels kind of foam. It's not cutting it quite as clean. Alright. Simple little hole. Grab our dispenser. Outside rubber washer. Then you put the cap on. Now your rubber washer. And then tighten it down. Waterproof. Now put your top back on. Tighten it up good. Turn it to the right till it lines up. Perfect. Got one. Now I got my station all ready. Okay, my liquid filling station is ready. I got 4 jugs here lined up. With these little devices, you can actually be as meticulous as you want. Say you want 2 ounces per 1,000 square feet using your little measuring cup. See if we can get down here and show it how easy it is. Simply hold your cup here and gently lift up on it. You can see it start pouring in. Perfect. No back was hurt pouring this. No waste on the concrete or in your garage or in your yard. It's all in here. So you take this and pour it in your dispenser, your backpack sprayer, whichever you want. Or if you're spraying by the jug, you can actually take your whole jug very easily, fill it up. Again, no waste, no hurt back. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video, how I set up this Liquid Fert Station. Go down the line, filling up your bottles before you apply it to the yard. Like I said, no hurt back and no mess in your garage or on your yard. If you like this video, thought it was a pretty cool tip, be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment. I always enjoy reading your comments. And I'll reply to every comment. So see you guys in the yard.